Hello and welcome back to Project Zomboid, but it's insanity. Project Zomboid Insanity. This is now episode 2 of it. So far stuff's going well. Not too shabby. One thing I do realize is the farther I move into Louisville, the more zombies that spawn. The more zombies that spawn, the more weapons I need. This is what I mean by insanity. I didn't... Me attacking this many zombies is causing hordes in other buildings to trigger which really isn't fun. And yes, I have multi-hit on because I actually want to survive this and have a chance. Oh, come on. There, wait, I saw one. You know what? That works. I got it, loser. Right now, it's looking like a bloodbath episode. Jesus Christ. Alright, well, okay, that... If there's a fire truck nearby... That's a survivor vehicle. This is gonna get chaotic quickly. Since the more weapon I use, the less weapon I have. Like that, for example. I no longer have one of my metal pipes. Yes, the crowbar can kill more zombies, but it's really less efficient for me. Heading up onto garages. That is a very good sign. Now, I'm gonna go into this burnt house, go upstairs and rest real quick. Please tell me there's... Really? Not a single chair? Okay, you know, I'm fine. That's why I want to rest. Because my guy's tired. After killing one horde. You know how insane the population is gonna get? More into the city? That's gonna be like 70 zombies every few feet. How much is this chair? That's 7.5. How much is this chair? Damn it. I need a stool. Like an actual stool. And it's becoming night. Great. Luckily, there's some garages that we can search nearby. So far, the zombie population number is not that bad, but the longer I play, the longer this series goes on, the harder it is gonna be to kill all the zombies. Yes, I'll have plenty of weapons, but killing them is crazy. Oh yeah, also, I forgot to tell you, I'm not allowed to use guns. That's another thing I've added to the rules of this. Since with guns, it'd be too easy. That's not insanity at all. Oh, yippee yahoo. Because I know we're tired. Hey, they broke up in garages for me. At least they did that. I swear I'm actually gonna go crazy with how many zombies I'm gonna need to kill to actually get to good looting locations in the future. Like hardware stores, for example, those I'm gonna need to hit up. Because, you know, pretty good. Getting a car, that's gonna be almost impossible due to several factors. That's none of that's worth it. I turned all the cars to ass. Literally none of them run unless I get lucky with a random car scene. Oh, you're shitting me. Come on, dude. A baseball bat or something. Right now, using the pipes is not the most optimal. Nails. Ooh. Now, actually, yeah, nails. I need an axe, a saw, a hammer. I have hammers. What am I talking about? I need an axe and a saw and more nails. Okay, well, that's the nails. I'm not even gonna... There's a... Nope, that's a shit axe, damn it. Alright. I need some water. Best course of... All of those cars have alarms. If one of those car alarms go off, I am boned. I need all the zombies to just not touch the cars. We're gonna go into the pancake place. God damn it. That's gonna... As I was saying, that's gonna draw the world's biggest horde over here. So let's wait like maybe 2-3 hours. Yep, there's some zombies. That's a lot at my front door. It should be off by now. Yep. It is. What? I thought I was actually going insane there for a second. I genuinely did not think there was a zombie at my door. Okay, that's a bit creepy. Jeez, no, I'll eat the zucchini. Wait, what? That's a sedan. Ooh. Oh. Why do I oh my god. Oh, it's gonna be just like last time. They're gonna start pouring out of every fucking seam and crack. There's... Oh my god. Fuck off. This is my house. They're in the fucking walls and shit. Literally, where did you come from? I'm gonna need to use a washing machine on all of my shit once I'm done. TV off. All of those cars have batteries. Meaning if a zombie touches any of them, they will all go off. And just remember, I put car spawn rate on high. So they're basically just a bunch of useless pieces of garbage that have alarms. In Louisville. You're seeing the issue now, aren't you? There's a lot of cars in Louisville. And they only go out once they go out. Meaning, theoretically, the only way they can all go out is if I set off the alarm for every single one. I'm not doing that. Can I put my one... Oh, god damn it. Yeah, I can already see and hear more zombies. No, but like actually, where are you guys coming from? That's just a fence. Oh, you fuck. Oh my god. Can I drop something now? Thank you. What I want to drop. I'll find more. Find more nails. I can carry 2 boxes, that's good enough. Alrighty. Now we start clearing out the giant ass horde that is there's a tree in my way. That is accumulated. Oh, you fucker. Practically in the front yard. Which is very fun. Oh, and I'm already... And I'm gonna need to rest in corpse sickness hell. Yay. This is a bloodbath. I'm resting in the kitchen, thank you. There we go. Soap, yo. Where have you been all my life? I also want to keep my guy clean. Come on. Holy fuck. Dude. What do you... What do you want me to do in this situation? Look at them all. They haven't even set off all the car alarms yet. That's like at least... Wait. It's like at least 100. Oh my god! Like, 20 more just spawned out of that car. You cannot tell me you also didn't see that shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't run away, because I'll run out of stamina, and then get eaten by a horde. I can't walk away. I can't... maybe I can sneak away. But there's... Oh my god! I'm gonna get in the house and sleep it away. This is... mentally draining. Oh my god. It's still going. This room is literally the safest. Because it's away from corpse sickness. All of it. All of your clothing. You are being a clean dude, dude. There we go. once again clean. I'm gonna grab these because I have a feeling in the future that's gonna what's happen. Yep, I said that right. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. And we need to try and conquer that horde, because if we don't, it's gonna be an ever-growing issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.